Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the medium egg hunt in Brookhaven. To start your egg-finding adventure, first head to the police station. There, you will find a special board. Interact with it to officially begin the egg hunt event. The medium difficulty challenge involves collecting 25 hidden eggs throughout the city. Keep an eye on the top right corner of your screen for a helpful counter that tracks your progress. For the medium egg hunt, a key tool you'll need is a ladder. Many eggs are placed in high-up locations, like on rooftops or in trees, making a ladder essential for collection. Remember, most eggs are found outdoors, so concentrate your search on the city's open spaces. A smart strategy is to systematically explore one area of the map before moving to the next, ensuring you don't miss any hidden treasures. Eggs are cleverly hidden in various spots around Brookhaven. You'll often find them near well-known landmarks, like the large fountain or the exciting water slide. Don't forget to thoroughly check around public buildings, including the school, hospital, and the post office. Many eggs are also placed on top of buildings, tucked behind structures, or even nestled within trees, so always look up and around. Once you have successfully located and collected all 25 eggs, you will have completed the medium egg hunt challenge. As a fantastic reward for your efforts, you will unlock a unique in-game vehicle. This special vehicle can often carry multiple players, making it a fun way to travel around Brookhaven. Enjoy your new ride and celebrate your impressive egg hunting accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.